Hi everyone. Y'all know my free Samsung has a filter. That means I have to change my filter. So in 3 minutes or maybe in 10 seconds, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the filter on your free Samsung. So I already changed the filter on my fridge already. So easy. But I can speak French and English, so I'm gonna go ahead and doing it, explaining in English and go ahead and explain it also in French. So first of all, you just need to press the alarm button. So you press the alarm for 3 seconds, and the filter sound will disappear right away. And in French, pour enlever le signal filter sur votre frigidaire Samsung, il suffit juste d'appuyer durant 3 secondes sur le bouton alarme et c'est fini quoi. Parce que j'ai déjà changé le, le filtre dans mon fridge. Donc je vais vous indiquer comment enlever le signe filtre sur le frigidaire. Donc just press the alarm button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yep. You guys see, everything is gone in 3 seconds.